Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to install TBNuk on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install the TBNuk app, what you have to do to make sure it's not yet installed, then go over to your app store, which should look the same on any Hisense Smart TV. Please, if you have a Hisense Smart TV, this is the app store you have. If you don't have this app store, then I'm not sure you have the right app store or the right Hisense Smart TV. So go over here and type in TBN, which is T, B, and N. As simple as that, literally. And you just go ahead and search, and you're going to see TBNuk. And use it over here. Just go over here to the installation page and click on install. It's very simple. So just go over here, wait for it to load. Oh no. Once it loads like this, then you can go ahead and click install. Please make sure your internet is stable. Mine just had it to shake over there. Once you install, you can choose where to place it. And then here's the application. You're good to go. You can go ahead now and launch it on your Hisense Smart TV.